Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with eXp Realty for investor network growth. To connect with eXp Realty for investor network growth, start by visiting the official eXp Realty website. Navigate to the investor section to gather information specifically tailored to potential investors. Create an account or sign up if prompted. Once registered, explore the resources available, including webinars and informational guides. Join the eXp Realty community on social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Engage with posts and participate in conversations to establish your presence. Attend virtual networking events hosted by eXp Realty. Take notes and ask questions to gain insights from experienced investors. Utilize eXp's internal networking tools to connect with other agents and investors. Reach out via email or direct messages to individuals who share similar investment interests. Consider scheduling one-on-one meetings with established eXp agents for mentorship opportunities. Participate in local eXp Realty meetups or events to expand your network in person. Leverage online forums and discussion groups related to eXp Realty for additional interaction. Stay updated on eXp Realty news to remain informed about upcoming opportunities and events. Collaborate on projects by proposing joint ventures with other network members. As you build relationships, share your investment goals to create mutual opportunities. Stay active and consistent in your engagement to maximize your network growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.